I would like to few points about today's meeting or informal retreat. The first one is about competitiveness. I strongly believe that the things we are doing also in Estonia, getting rid of excess bureaucracy, are those things that will help Europe become more competitive, because to be honest, in Estonia we have this kind of agreement with our entrepreneurs that our top entrepreneurs, chambers of commerce, employees, unions and so on, are helping the government and public sector to eradicate different norms. And that's boosting competitiveness and also economic growth, because to be honest, a couple of years have been quite slow in Estonia, but right now the economic growth is boosting. That is the first point. Second one is about breakthrough technologies and AI. I would say that if we look at the numbers in America and, for example, in Europe, then breakthrough technologies and especially AI investments in different capabilities, for example, gigafactories and so on, if you compare the numbers, Europe is lagging behind. In Estonia we have agreed with our startup sector, IT sector, to form this kind of Estonian AI, which will mean that we will deal with AI influence to the labor market, to the economy and so on, and also to education. Because in Estonia right now, this year already 1/3 of our education system is using and teaching AI. And in 3 years it will become 100%, so everybody will be fluent in AI technologies. And with entrepreneurs, I would say that with different breakthrough technologies, IT, AI, it's usually the question that will few of us have a lot in a very rapid tempo, or will we win all together. So that is the motto also for Estonian AI. So these are the things we would be talking about today. And maybe the third point I will mention is connections, because to be honest, if Europe wants to stay in competition compared to other regions, then the connections, energy, transport-wise, are very important to connect Europe as a whole. So these are probably 3 points I will make today, and I hope this will be a very fruitful event for Europe. Thank you.